Right, so doing lights on a Hyundai Tucson. What'd this thing run from? 2005, I think, up until what, almost 2010 maybe? Not really a Hyundai expert, that's for sure. But wanted to throw in some LED lights because you know what? Just every car needs better lighting and everything else. But I managed to pick these things up and get them fit in. It was a little tricky at first. I can't deny it. Bought these things off eBay, you know, China special, whatever it is. I think I might have paid, I don't know, not even 20 bucks for these things. You know, they has the fan on the back of them. It's just a little hard getting in basically the wire. That's the hardest part about it. It does fit with the cap on it. I'm not really sure if it's going to be able to circulate the air as best as it can, but we'll see. Look, you know what? They blow out, they blow out. What are you going to do? It is what it is. But when you take it off, just be careful, kind of put the wiring in the back. I would say go for this type of LED with the wire to it. I did manage to get it in there. It was a little trickier, else I would have been probably doing the video the whole time of doing it. Now I'm just going to basically put it all back together, and you take a look at how the lights look next. And there you have it. It's done real quick. I'm going to have to buff out these lights, throw a little, I'm going to wheel them a little bit, just to get them even clearer. But real quick, you know, the beautiful thing about it, it's a 10-inch, one here socket. It's so simple. There's not that bracket underneath, and it makes it a big pain in the neck. Nah, it's very simple, very quick. You know, you could do it. Shouldn't take you more than, you know, a half hour to do. It's just once you get the one in, you figured it out, you're like, oh, easy to do the second one. There you go.
Follow Automotive Ad Builder on our social networking sites to keep up with the latest videos, reviews, autos for sale, and vehicle marketing solutions. We also welcome any questions or comments. One of our staff will be happy to help you.